always easier to keep living the same life, to be in the same shitty relationship, to continue in that health thing, to have the same business that loses money or doesn't make money. That's always the easier path. The harder path is going right. The harder path is change. And we just got to decide at what point are we unhappy with the way things have been going. Sometimes that comes at divorce and breakup. It comes when they go bankrupt. It comes when all their people quit their real estate team. It comes in all these different phases when somebody says, I'm tired of this happening to me again and again for the same old reason over and over again, and they decide to go right. You realize what matters to you, what doesn't, who does, who doesn't, how you spend your time and so on. So you start making some different choices. So are you guys willing to change the things in your lives that aren't working? Those things are our money, our personal energy, how we lead people, our businesses, right? And I just kind of, when I went right, I thought to myself, everything's on the table. What's that mean? If I find a really amazing place, then maybe I'll stay. If I find that some part of my business is not working, I should get rid of it. If I find that, whatever that thing is, just be willing to change that.